Okay, once you have the impurity measures or purity measures, so in case of Gini and entropy, those are impurity measures. Log worth is a purity measure. So once you've done that, so what do you know? This is a two-step process. First, select the best split from each input variable. So if you have only two input variables, then you compute the best for the first input variable, select the best, second input variable, select the best. So if you have 15, 20, 50 predictors, and you find for each one of them the best possible value to split. So then compare the best value to split of each input variable and select the best. So both steps will need some adjustments to control for how many splits there are, and some, if there is binary splits, then you have some parameters that you can use to adjust, but we will not get into those, and we will let SAS handle that for us. So step 1, comparing splits from a single input variable and looking at the change in Gini or change in entropy that favors a split to greater number of branches. The p-value, you can either use these Gini or entropy, and SAS allows you to select which one do you want to use. You want to use Gini or you want to use entropy. So if you use Gini or entropy, it favors splits into greater number of branches, either one of them. Okay. But on the other hand, if you select log worth, then log worth will give you more unbiased estimates of propensity. So this is you may want to try all three. So you want to try Gini and develop a tree, you use entropy, develop a tree, and you use log worth, develop a tree, and then apply these three trees to your validation data, because our objective is not to fit the training data. You want to use the trained data to develop possible models and select the one that will generalize the best way to the validation data set. And then you will select the one that gives you the best results with the validation data set. So step 2, comparing the best split for all input variables, and then so you have log worth tends to become larger as the number of splits increases, and the input variable, so consequently input variables with larger m are favored, nominal inputs are favored. So again, nominal inputs, remember, if you have too many possible values, the number of splits will number of candidate splits will increase in an explosive way, and there are some other adjustments that you can do to limit the number of possible splits.